We are at Roaring Mountain in Yellowstone National Park.
The happy couple.
There we go.
Geyser number one. When we get down to Old Faithful, I'll kind of talk in depth about what makes a geyser because it's very unique. It's kind of complex. Number two is hot springs. So Grand Prismatic is going to be one of our stops today. It's one of the largest hot springs in the world, and that's just where the geothermal activity is just heating up a pool of water. Pretty straightforward. The third one is mud pots. Mud pots are a little bit different because what's happening there is the hydrogen sulfide gas that we're going to smell throughout the day, kind of that egg smell, is coming up to the surface. You have a chemotroph, which is an organism that feeds off the chemicals, will be digesting that hydrogen sulfide gas. The byproduct of that is sulfuric acid, and the sulfuric acid breaks down a lot of the rock. So the rock's kind of falling into the geothermal feature, kind of gets, you know, bubbly and gooey and looks a little different from the other ones. So mud pots are also pretty unique. The fourth one is what we're looking at right here, Roaring Mountain. Anybody read the sign over here?
Fumarole.
Fumarole, yep. Fumarole is just a fancy name for a steam vent. That's where there's no pool of water like a hot spring. There's no reservoir underground like a geyser. You just have heated water that's coming and escaping out of the surface through a vent like these right here. So we're starting off